Hello, I'm Luis Nivio, as the National Outreach Coordinator for International Astronomical Union in Timor Leste. We are deeply grateful to AU and Office of Astronomical Development for approving our proposal and providing funding support. These are the outlines of my presentation for the project Strengthening the Knua Prátika and Building Future Astronomers for Lorsale, Timor Leste. I will introduce a little bit about how and why we submit our proposal and what are the activities that we are doing. As you know, on 20 April 2023, there was hybrid solar eclipse, which also passed through Timor-Leste, particularly in the municipality of Lautem and Bikeke, where totality was visible. Before that, I was unaware and I didn't know that this phenomenon will occur until I was contacted by a team from Thailand's Narit to initiate a site survey. Following this, I worked with our science team called SESIM to conduct a training seminar on solar eclipse observation for teachers, but only limited to a few teachers due to budget limitation. Throughout our training seminar, many educators remained skeptical about the occurrence of this rare phenomena. Even in early 2023, despite news coverage of the solar eclipse, many individuals continue to express doubt. There was news that certain ministries plan to organize eclipse observation activity. However, no definitive steps were taken to distribute solar viewing glasses. There are also limited distribution of scientific literature. During the occurrence of the total solar eclipse in Timor-Leste, we observed low participation of teachers, students, and also community. Some people use unsafe solar eclipse glasses. Some were observed through the live streaming screen only. So, these are the basis of our proposal, that there is a need for better preparation, more resources, and a stronger public engagement for future astronomical events. During the observation of total solar eclipse, my responsibility was to time the countdown for the start and end of totality. We work alongside astronomers from ASEAN, notably the Viet Astro team from Vietnam, to deliver live streaming of the event. The idea of our project is to strengthen and enhance the capacity of science teachers in astronomy, focusing on the theme knowledge and skill for development. To achieve this objective, we plan to organize 5-day training workshop in Dili by collaborating with Institute of Technology Sumatra from Indonesia. Our partnership with ITERA was established during the eclipse observation, where we mutually agreed to work together. Before the training, we collaborate to develop and translate the workshop content. Following the initial workshop, led by experts from ITERA, the SESIM team will extend training to additional teachers across 9 municipalities. So, we organized our workshop on 1st to 5th July 2024, but there was only 24 teachers, which was targeted for 45 teachers. They engaged in learning about basic astronomy concept, astrophotography, sky observation, weather application for weather forecasting, website and application related to eclipses, geoshadow, sky maps, and some DIU activities related to astronomy. These are the photos of the activity. We have photo group, presentation and about constellation and star maps, hands-on learning, DIU, about inclinometer, sextant activity. We have more photos, observing sunspot through telescope, motorizing telescope, sundial activities, learning about clouds and meteorology, astronomy, plane cards, and these are the photos of sky observation, learning astrophotography techniques. Teachers were highly engaged and amazed by the workshop, particularly the hands-on experience with sky observation. During the workshop, we conduct pre and post tests to evaluate the training impact. Teachers enthusiastically share that the interactive session greatly deepened their understanding of astronomy. The results show a 59.13% improvement in teacher knowledge, demonstrating the workshop effectiveness in enhancing their skills and confidence. The graphics show the paired t-test result reveal a significant increase in scores from pre-test to post-test, confirming that the training effectively enhanced participant understanding and performance. We have extended our workshop to two other municipalities called Vikek and Bokau. This is also funded by Ministry of Education. So we have trained about 70 teachers. We also organize science fair. Many students observe the sunspot with telescope and do other activity as well. However, we haven't done the analysis for the pre and post test. More photos about workshop at two municipalities. Challenges, scheduling issue. We couldn't take out the teacher during the school effective days, so therefore we only have 24 teachers at the first workshop. Teachers complain we learn about telescope, but we never have telescope in the schools, so we couldn't share the knowledge that we learn. The other problem is funding delay and limited funding to extend to other municipalities. What's next of the project? We plan to conduct one more workshop in one municipality using the funding from EIU. We also plan to develop the content into a booklet and distribute to the schools and teachers. In conclusion, astronomy is not yet an interesting topic for the students to learn. However, these activities could stimulate and attract more students to astronomy and become future astronomers and scientists of Timor Leste. Thank you very much. You can visit us in our official Facebook and website. Thank you.